We are programming.
Okay, here we go again.
Activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County, eastern Parker County, Tarrant County, and northeastern Hood County until 7:45. A cluster of severe thunderstorms are located.
We had one last week.
Near Lido and near Granbury. Everything moving northeast.
And now we're having one again.
Miles per hour. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued for northwestern Johnson County, eastern Parker County, for all of Tarrant County, and northeastern Hood County until 7:45. Storms moving in from the southwest. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Well, honestly, I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that at all. Wow.